Hi guys, my name is Ash. This is my first video for the YouTube. I just ordered this Apple iPhone 17 Max Pro Max. So this video is about unboxing that, which as you can see it, I'm trying to unbox iPhone 17 Pro Max. I ordered white in color rather than cosmic orange. I wanted to do the cosmic orange, but my son liked white, so I ordered that one. Seems like it's quite good. Let's see how it's working. Do drop me the comments in the comment section if you like the phone. It's 256 gigabytes of space in between, and yeah, I'm quite excited to see it. Let's see how it looks like. Even when I checked the battery, I think it's up to 39 hours of the video playback, fast charging to 40 watts, and the battery capacity is 5088 mAh. It supports all the 5G support, 6 gigahertz megabytes wave Wi-Fi with the 8 or 2.11 BE. Bluetooth is 6, I guess, and it got eSIM optional if you don't want to use a normal physical SIM tray operating system. I think it's got iOS 26 with the AI features and the ChatGPT integration along with that. So 3 colors, as I said. Not I said the deep blue. Sorry, I missed about the deep blue. It's cosmic orange, silver, and a deep blue, and I think it's 233 grams about. Starting price for that is around, I think, I'm in the UK, so around £1,100 plus something, and in the US, if you're in the US, it's $1,999. Oh, it's quite good.